So we have this old mirror at our house that we probably bought when we originally moved out. We were just going to throw it out because it didn't really go with anything in the house, but we decided to try and refurbish it. For this project, you'll need a paint that you'd like to finish the frame in. This is actually a sample pot from Bunnings. You'll also need some masking tape to mask up the mirror, some brushes, some paper towel to clean up your mess, and some white paint to do the base. So first up, we cleaned up the mirror, removing all dirt, dust and grease to make sure the paint sticks. Then we masked up the frame so we didn't get any paint on the mirror. If you don't have to do this, but I really couldn't be bothered getting all the paint off the mirror that we would have obviously got on it. With the mirror taped up, it was time to get the paint ready to put it on. This is just some leftover paint I have from a renovation. So you just want to apply the first base coat to have something that the paint can stick to and also to block out this dark colouring. With the undercoat completed, it was time to add the base colour to the mirror frame. I started getting really impatient waiting for the paint to dry because it was really cold here, so I ended up getting out the heat gun and drying the paint a bit faster. You could also do this with a hairdryer. With the paint dried by the heat gun, it was time to add the second coat to give the colour a bit more depth. The paint was starting to pool in the little crevice between the frame and the detailed work there, so I decided to go around with the heat gun just to spread it out and get it to dry it up a bit quicker. With the base colour done around the frame, it was time to focus on the detail around the mirror itself. We didn't bother taping up this part just because I couldn't be bothered, but if you'd like to do it to make a nicer, cleaner finish, there'd be no problem there. With the finer details completed, it was time to clean up and take the tape off after it had dried. As we were revealing it here, we were realising that we did pretty good with the tape work. Now it was time to clean up the mirror and finally see what it looks like. This was the mirror that we were planning to throw away. And with a bit of time and effort, this is the mirror that we're now going to keep and stay out of landfill. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.